Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, embryology of the eye. So, in the embryology of the eye, first what are the derivatives from surface ectoderm? In the eye, actually, the following are derived from surface ectoderm: cornea and the corneal epithelium, lacrimal glands, eyelids, skin and appendages, and lens are derived from surface ectoderm. So, from the surface ectoderm, there is derivative of the following: first, cornea and even conjunctival epithelium of the conjunctiva and cornea, then the lacrimal glands, eyelid, skin, and also the appendages of the eye, along with the lens, are derived from the surface ectoderm.
thank you and thank you for watching.